one that be in the jungle, in the forest, about 4,000 of them. But they belong with the national park area, with 69 national park all our country, about 4,000 of them. Another 3,500 that be domestic elephant. You know domestic, the one with domestic elephant. That means all their life they belong with the people. They will born with the people, they will grow with the people, and also they will die with the people. They are just look like a cow, buffalo, dog, cat, or chicken, just like this. If you be with them long time like me, now I'm work with elephant 13 years already. Now I be with them 13 years. If you be with them long time like me, your feeling when you come to see them, they are like me. I just thinking, look like it's my little dog or little cat, just like this. If the first time you see elephant, I know, I understand, because they are so big. Someone is very scared elephant. No, I don't want to go. If elephant walk to you, I don't want to try to run away. They are so big. They're so big. Like the body weight about 4 tons, 5 tons. It's very tall. It's maybe 2.5, 3 or 3.5 meters tall. Very tall, very big. But all of them, they are be in the sanctuary. They are very gentle. They are very calm. Because we treat them well. We're not going to hurt them or do something bad with them. That's why their memory. Elephant is the best. It's a good memory. They're very good memory. Very good memory. And if the one treats them well, be friend with them, they also is be friend with you. But if the one is crazy with them, I mean, if you hit them or not enough food or you do something wrong or something bad with them, but they also is recognize you, And for the generation of the elephant, of Asian elephant, now how they someone you want photo more? I don't know how.
I'm not going to steal your fruit. पाँव रख के तोड़ता है वो ब्रांच को.
If you not get in, come to stay here.
Oh.
If you not get in, come to stay here. Anh nói đây sạc của một bên anh nhảy vào. Let's get in, let's have it coming.
Oh God, not too in the water.
Yes?
It's just like that. Powder. Do you help too? Sunscreen. No, come on.